Welcome. Do not have a selfie flash on your mobile, or your back flashlight is too weak? Are you so worried about this? Has come for you. Selfie Ring Flash LED fill light. Put it on the front or back of your mobile. You can take photos as you like, although it is too small to see. But it is a very powerful flashlight. By this, you can take full bright photos. Although it is very dark, it's very easy to use. When you want to take photos, just keep it with your mobile, and you will focus on taking photos. As soon as you take it, it is fully fitting with all the mobile phones. They are of many models. Today I will show you the best 5 selfie ring flash LED fill light. Of them, under $5. I promise you, you will happy to see this video, so watch carefully till the end. And don't miss to hit the subscribe button.
Let's go. Number 1.
Selfie LED Flashlight Phone Night 16 LED Portable Mini Lamp Ring Fill Light for iPhone Mobile Phone.
Number 2.
New Arrive USB Charge Selfie Portable Flash LED Camera Phone Photography Ring Light Enhancing Photography for iPhone Smartphone.
Number 3.
Fashion New Selfie Ring Light Portable Flash LED Camera Phone Photography Enhancing Photography for Smartphone iPhone Samsung.
Number 4.
Portable LED Portable Flash LED Camera Mobile Phone Clip-on Selfie Ring Light Video Light Night Enhancing.
Number 5.
LED Phone Case for iPhone 5, 6, 6S, 7 Plus 8X Flash Selfie Light Up-glowing Luxury Phone Cover for Samsung S6s 7 Thundercock. So if you don't miss the chance to buy this awesome products, hit the link on the description.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel.